Hello everyone, my name is Nadine Rashila Putri with student number 2413042050 and today I'll teach you guys about morphology and linguistics. Morphology is the branch of linguistics that studies in internal structure of the word and they can format. It helps us to understand how words can be constructed from smaller units of the meaning of called morphemes. What is morphemes? Morphemes is the smallest thing and meaningful unit of the language. Morphemes can be classified of two categories like free morphemes and bond morphemes. Free morphemes can stand alone as the independent words like book, dog, run, and happy. And bond morphemes is this word that cannot stand alone and must be attached to a free morpheme. For example, like us for the plural and ir for the past tense and an as the negative prefix. The type of morpheme is a lexical and functional morphemes. A lexical morphemes is the content word of the carry semantic meaning, include nouns, main verbs, adjective, and adverb. For the example, tree, jump, blue, and quickly. Functional morphemes is the serve grammatical purpose, include prepositions, conjunctions, article, auxiliary verbs, and pronouns. For the example is and, or, in, the, is. The next one we talk about derivational versus inflectional morphemes. Derivational morphemes is the change of the meaning of the grammatical category part of speech of the word. Often form the new word. For the example is happy, which means bahagia, to unhappy, tidak bahagia, and teach, yang mana mengajar, to teacher, yang artinya guru, and quick, to the quickly. And the next is inflectional morphemes. Inflectional morphemes is a modifier of the word that can express different grammatical categories without changing its core meanings or the category. In English, there have 8 maybe of the intentional morphemes. There are us for the plural like cat, and then us for the possessives like Johns, and then as our third person singular presence like runs, and then it for the past tense like walked, and then ing as the progressive aspect like singing, and en for the participle like eaten, for the comparative like faster, us for the superlative like fastest. And next we talk about affixations. Affixation is the type of the affix. Affix is the type of bond morpheme that is added in the root or the base of the word to alter its meaning or the function. There are 3 main types. Like there are a prefix. The prefix added in the beginning of the word. For the example is an, re, and pre, like unhappy, rewrite, and preview. The next we talk about suffix. Suffix is usually add to the end of the word, like example ness, li, able, like unhappy, slowly, kindness, slowly, unreadable. The third we talk about infix. Infix is inserted in the word, inserted in the middle of the word. They are rarely to use in English, but for the example is nowadays, and then absolutely. I don't know what this means. And then the next we talk about root, stem, and the base. In the root, most of the affix form of the word without any affix. The root carries the core of the meaning. For example is act in actor, action, and react. Or example there. And then the stem is the root of plus derivational affix. Like they can take the inflectional affix. And then base is a general term for any form of which affix can be added. There can be a root or stem. The next we talk about word formation process involving morphemes. There are affixations to the adding affix, prefix, or suffix like teach to the teacher, happy to happiness, and then compounding. Compounding is combining two or more free morphemes like tooth and brush and to be toothbrush, and sun and flower to be sunflower. The next we talk about reduplication. Reduplication is repeating all the part of the morpheme. Like in Indonesia we have a lari-lari, kesana kemari, jalan-jalan. And then conversion. Conversion is the changing of the word class without changing the form, like Google to Google. They are from noun to the verb. Then clipping. Clipping is shortening the longer word for the advertisement to the ad. Something like that. The sixth we talk about blending. Blending is merging part of two words. There are smoke and walk to the smoke, and then breakfast to the lunch to the brunch. The seventh we talk about acronym and initialism. Acronym like NASA, pronounced to the as the word NASA, so we can talk it like NASA. The initialism is like FBI, so we pronounce it with the letter like FBI. That's all from me. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.